Collaborative divorce may not be cheap or inexpensive. You are hiring 2 attorneys, you are hiring a neutral financial professional, and you are hiring a mental health trained facilitator. So you are spending some money. But it is far, far less expensive than a litigated divorce. And it's less expensive because you don't have dueling financial experts, dueling mental health professionals, and you don't have litigation. And let me just give you a brief vignette why it's so expensive. I may have in the morning an 8:45 motion hearing that may only take me 5 minutes to argue, but I am charging my client from the time I leave my office till the time I get back. So going down the elevator, get in my car, drive to the courthouse, get parking, walk to the courthouse, fight my way through security, go up the elevator, sign in. Then I'm waiting. Now, what do you think attorneys talk about when we're waiting for our motion hearings to be heard or to begin? Well, we try to resolve the issue, but when we can't, then I'm talking to Jane and I'm talking to Frank, how are your kids, and how about the game last week? Well, that's still rolling on your dime. I walk into the courtroom. I have to wait for my hearing to be heard. My hearing for 5 minutes takes place. I get done. I talk briefly with the attorney about what happens next, and I go down the elevator, out to parking, drive back to my office. So a 5-minute hearing may take almost 2 hours. And you double that by 2. And we may have a number of those hearings. And then we have evidentiary hearings. And then we have depositions. And then I'm filing documents for discovery. In the collaborative process, all that's removed. We have meetings, 4 to 6 meetings. All that financial documents that we're fighting to get, they're brought in because the financial expert says, I need it, and the parties are required to do it. So you can see those are significant cost-saving factors. And that's one of the reasons why, although it may not be cheap, it's certainly far less expensive to the tune of tens, even sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars for highly contested divorces.